Do you want to learn how to increase the FPS of your video from this to this? Hi guys, today I will show you how to increase the FPS of your video. Also, I will give the CC for free to boost your quality. You can get the CC from description, but you need to watch the video till the end because the zip of the CC is protected with a password and it will be visible for 1 second in the end parts of this tutorial. Today, I will show 2 different methods to increase the FPS. First, we will use After Effects to increase the FPS with a plugin named by Twixtor, which is paid, but you can get it from my Discord for free and so you can use it. In second method, we will use Uni Converter for it, which will increase your FPS at least at the rate of 240 smoothest FPS. And also it will enhance your video for good results. You can get Uni Converter free trial link from the description as well. So let's go to the After Effects. Let's start the first method with After Effects. Ready with your comp and clips which you want to use for it. Select your clips and enable frame blending and motion blur and pre-compose your clips as well. After that, add the Twixtor plugin to your pre-compose layer. Put the frame rate according to your clip's FPS, so it will be smooth. Change the motion sensitivity to contrast edge and frame interp to motion weighted. Congrats, you have increased the FPS of the video. Let's do the second method to increase the FPS and enhancement of a quality as well. We will use a software from Wondershare, the only one Uni Converter for it. So first, open the Uni Converter. Click on Tools. As you can see, there are so many tools to import the edits. After that, click on AI Video Enhancer and import the edit. As you can see, the video is very laggy. Here you can enhance the video at 3 levels. You can also upscale the video to 8K at low file size. Now click on Frame Interpolation and change the smoothness settings to 4x 240 frames per second. Now click on Export. Wait for analyzing. As you can see, the video is very smooth. After that, click on AI Video Enhancer and add the video which you exported before and click on Enhancement, so it will be in the good quality with that. And also it's a new feature. Now wait for exporting. After that, go to After Effects again and import the enhanced video and drag it in the timeline. Now you can see the difference between the enhanced and raw clips. Now pre-compose the video and make an adjustment layer. Now add the CC from the description to get high quality as possible for the edit. After that, export it. Now we have to compress the edit. So click on Compress on Uni Converter and add your edit. Now copy my settings to get good result. As you can see the quality meter, the higher you go will increase the file size and the lower you go will decrease the file size. You can adjust it according to you. I'm going with 90. After that, do same like me. After that, click on Compress. And you're done. If you like this tutorial, then make sure to like and subscribe the channel. See you soon, guys.